This is how to pay using your Nedbank Virtual Card in South Africa. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Open the Nedbank Money App on your phone and sign into your account. On the home screen, tap Cards at the bottom of the screen. Your physical card will appear first. At the top left, tap Virtual Card and it will open across your screen. If you don't have one yet, tap Add Virtual Card and follow the prompts to create it. It's quick, secure, and completely free. Once it's open, you'll see your card number, expiry date, and CVV. In some cases, you might need to approve or verify your card details before they become visible. Now let's go over how to use it. To pay online, enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV at checkout, just like a physical card. Nedbank will send you an OTP or notification to confirm. Enter the code if needed and the payment goes through instantly. To pay in apps like Uber, Takealot, or Netflix, open the payment section, choose card payment and enter your virtual card details. For subscriptions, link your virtual card once and manage or cancel it anytime in the app. If you want to pay in person, add your virtual card to Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, or Garmin Pay. Then simply hold your phone or smartwatch near a tap-to-pay terminal to complete the payment. After each payment, you'll receive a confirmation from Nedbank. To check it, go to the home screen, tap Transact, and open Payment History to view your recent transactions. And that's it. That's how you pay using your Nedbank Virtual Card in South Africa. If this video helped, remember to like and subscribe for more helpful banking guides.